stirring him up, man. Let's not do that.
I'm not. Hey.
You are. If we can just have you back up, I appreciate it. If I can just have you back up. Appreciate it.
So we had down here for a call, guy was swinging an axe around. Had people were worried and concerned about it. So this guy here, he was down at a Meyer. He was the same call Blackman was on. Blackman was dealing with this guy. He was passed out at the Bob Evans. This guy's got a dog that, this guy's got like a pit bull that he didn't have it under control. That guy over there could be with his dog, it looks like.
Yeah, the dog got hit and killed. Thanks for bringing it up.
So he just said he let his dog get hit and killed. He didn't even take care of his dog.
You're stirring him up, man. Let's not do that.
I'm not. Hey.
You are. If we can just have you back up, I appreciate it. If I can just have you back up. Appreciate it. Good talk.
There we go.
He tries to get on you there, please.
So right now this officer, he's trying to instigate, this officer's trying to instigate a situation here. Instead of de-escalating, he's trying to escalate the situation. This JPD officer, I don't know what his deal is, but for some reason all these other officers have been great with me tonight. Something's going on with him. I don't know if he's on some sort of anabolics, or he looks like he could be on some sort of anabolics. You guys know that the blue line, they're known for the anabolic steroids, and this officer here is clearly something. He's agitated more than he should be, really. So it was probably about 2 weeks ago. Blackman Township was dealing with the same guy. So yeah, I was trying to narrate my story here, and the officer didn't really like it, and he got offended by it, real easily agitated. I don't know if they start their shift at 7 o'clock, so I don't know what his deal is, but like I said, I suspect anabolics might be the culprit, why he's so agitated, so irritable, so angry. You know, the police officers in the thin blue line are well known for anabolic use, illegal anabolic use.
Secure it.
I don't want to, yeah, I don't want to be in you guys' scene, you know. I thought maybe I was in, okay.
Just for safekeeping, right? You did?
What's up?
Just safekeeping?
The shirt and the axe, yeah.
Just keep that dog away back from me. Keep that dog back from me. Keep your dog back, that's all I'm asking. I've been bit before, that's why I don't need to. That's fine, just keep your dog back away from me. Okay, he got let out of handcuffs.
No. Perfect.